You want to listen to some music? What should we listen to? What about? What do you think? Maybe you should just tell me what you think. Where would you like to go? Sail, where would you like to go? Here's the world, and you could go here or here. Where would you like to go? If you could go anywhere. Africa, China, Mongolia, Australia, Mexico, Brazil? Yeah? What do you think? What about going to Italy? France? What's this? Russia? Where else? You want to go to Indonesia? What about India? Or Chad? What do you think? What do you think? Now, right now, you just probably want to go out. I guess you just want to go out of the crib, right? Okay, let's try a little music. How about that? Let's try some Paul Simon.
She thought I was alright in the sort of a limited way for a night. She said, don't I know you from the cinematographer's party?
Well, okay. No more Paul Simon and no